If you're still spending hours making content by hand while others use AI to finish the same thing before their coffee gets cold, you're basically running a race on flip-flops while they're driving a Ferrari. Today, that changes because I found something that turns free AI tools into actual income skills, even if right now you only use ChatGPT to write birthday wishes. Hey, this is Kamal from TestedApps.com. I've been doing affiliate marketing and SEO for over 6 years. I've wasted way too many nights staring at a blank screen while other marketers used AI to fly past me. So in this video, I'm giving you a real-world review of AI Profit Blueprint. I'll show the dashboard, what you get, who it's for, and whether you should actually buy it or save your money for pizza. Before we dive in, I've put some exclusive Tested Apps bonuses for action takers. They help you get faster results with this system. Check the link in the description before they disappear. What is AI Profit Blueprint? AI Profit Blueprint is a training program that shows you 10 complete ways to build income streams using free AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. No paid software, no scary tech, no needing to look like a Hollywood actor on camera. It's designed for beginners, freelancers, side hustlers, anyone who wants AI to work for them instead of scrolling YouTube tutorials all day. Hey, this is Kamal from TestedApps.com. I've been doing affiliate marketing and SEO for over 6 years. I've wasted way too many nights staring at a blank screen while other marketers used AI to fly past me. So in this video, I'm giving you a real-world review of AI Profit Blueprint. I'll show the dashboard, what you get, who it's for, and whether you should actually buy it or save your money for pizza. Before we dive in, I've put some exclusive Tested Apps bonuses for action takers. They help you get faster results with this system. Check the link in the description before they disappear. What is AI Profit Blueprint? AI Profit Blueprint is a training program that shows you 10 complete ways to build income streams using free AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. No paid software, no scary tech, no needing to look like a Hollywood actor on camera. It's designed for beginners, freelancers, side hustlers, anyone who wants AI to work for them instead of scrolling YouTube tutorials all day. How it works. Inside the dashboard, each method is laid out step by step with videos and templates. Step 1, pick a method. Step 2, follow the prompt templates like a cooking recipe. Step 3, publish, sell, or deliver, and pretend you have a giant team working for you. That's it. No brain surgery degree needed. Here's what makes it powerful. You're learning real business skills like copywriting, content creation, and digital product building. Every method is built for income, not just fancy AI tricks. You can start with zero experience. You avoid expensive tools and complicated software. You get systems that can bring long-term income, not one-hit viral hopes. Instead of guessing what to do with AI, you get a roadmap. There are courses charging $297, $997, even $2,000 just to teach one AI method. AI Profit Blueprints costs $17, one time. No monthly subscription trying to gently rob your wallet every 30 days. If you can buy a burger, you can afford to learn skills that actually pay you back. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Look, I'm not gonna sugarcoat this. You've probably been told the only way to make money with AI is to become some kind of prompt engineering genius, spend months learning complex tech skills, or invest thousands in expensive software. Maybe you've tried playing around with ChatGPT, watched countless tutorials, create a few samples, and then what? You hit a wall. Because here's the brutal truth. AI knowledge doesn't pay your bills. Delivered projects do. Actual service do. Most courses teach you the AI part, then leave you stranded when it comes to the business part. They don't show you how to price, find clients, or package your offerings. That's the gaps that keeps people stuck learning forever but never earning. But first, here's the truth no one talks about. It's not your fault you haven't figured this out yet. Most people teaching AI give you fake advice like just ask ChatGPT better questions or create content faster. That sounds great, but it doesn't actually put money in your bank account. They leave out the details, the business models, the pricing, the launch strategies, the exact prompts that work. Without those details, you're left guessing. You waste weeks or months testing random ideas, hoping something sticks. Meanwhile, the people who do have the systems, they are already profiting. My name is IGB Bowo, and 18 months ago, I was grinding 14-hour days building my business the hard way. Then something clicked. I stopped trying to become an AI expert and start building actual business systems with AI. You don't need to be an AI genius. You don't need fancy certifications. You just need three things: a proven method, the right systems, and the willingness to launch. That's exactly what I'm giving you today with the AI Profit Blueprint. 10 proven methods, each one is a complete income stream you can launch this week. Children's storybooks, social media content, copywriting, digital products, market research. Real service, real demand, real money changing hands every single day. And here's the best part. You don't need expensive AI tools. ChatGPT free versions work. Claude works. The difference between making $0 and building a sustainable business, having a proven system to follow. Every method includes complete video walkthroughs, watch over my shoulders. The exact prompts I use, just copy and implement. Pricing strategies that work. Launch plans from setup to your first clients. No theory, no fluff, just proven systems you can implement immediately. But I never done this before. I don't have experience. I don't have clients. Perfect. That's exactly who this is for. No experience required. No existing business needed. No technical skills necessary. Just follow the methods, use the templates, take action. So here's what you get: the complete AI Profit Blueprint with all 10 methods, step-by-step video training library, the quick start toolkit, prompts, pricing templates, client scripts, checklist, lifetime access, no monthly fees. I'm not promising you'll make a specific amount. Your results depends on your effort. But I can promise you'll have everything you need to launch professional AI services. Plus, 14-day money-back guarantee. If you don't see a clear path to profit, get every penny back. I could charge hundreds for this. Most business courses do. But today, you can get it for just $17. Less than lunch. But here's the catch. This only works if you actually implement it. I can do the work for you. I can send your emails. I can close your clients. What I can do is give you the exact blueprint and remove every excuse for not starting. The rest is up to you. Right now, you have two choices. Choice 1, close this page, keep waiting, keep watching others build AI businesses while you're stuck on the sideline. Choice 2, click the button below, get instant access, start implementing tonight. The people making money with AI right now aren't smarter than you. They just started. Click the button below. I'll see you on the inside.
Now, let me quickly break down the upgrades so you know what's worth grabbing. OTO 1, Done For You Template Vault, $27. You get over 200 copy-paste templates for emails, sales pages, and content. This is for people who want speed and hate writing from scratch. OTO 2, Instant Affiliate Engine, $12.95. A complete system for making money with affiliate marketing even if you have no product. OTO 2 Bump, Instant Affiliate Engine Custom GPT, $9.95. This one is for pure automation fans. Create content without even copy-pasting. It's the lazy genius upgrade. OTO 3 Influence Lab, $16.95. This one teaches persuasion and authority skills. Great if you want to convert more traffic into buyers. OTO 4 Keyword Dominator Pro, $12.95. My personal favorite because I'm obsessed with SEO. It gives you AI-powered keyword strategies and free traffic methods. All upgrades are optional. The front end has everything you need to start. The OTOs just speed things up. When I tested one method inside, I created a complete digital product outline in under 1 hour. Usually that used to take me 2 days, 3 coffees, and 5 emotional breakdowns. The prompts alone are worth the price because they eliminate guesswork. Beginners will love it because it's paint-by-numbers simple. Experienced marketers like me love it because it saves time. This isn't a magic ATM. If you expect to click a button and wake up with a Lamborghini, you're in the wrong universe. You still need to follow the steps and apply the methods. But if you can follow simple instructions, this removes all the confusion. Here's the truth. AI is not a hype trend anymore. It's the new normal. Right now, someone is building a business using these tools while you're thinking about starting someday. Someday doesn't pay bills. Action does. If you want to stop watching others win and finally give yourself a real chance, this is the simplest starting point. Call to action. Hit the link below to get AI profit blueprints before the price increases. And grab my exclusive Tested Apps bonuses while they're still available. Start using AI like a pro, not like a confused tourist pressing random buttons. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more tested tools, and comment below if you want me to review any other AI product. All right, time to let AI do the hard work while we enjoy life for once. Kamal signing off.